Yo, right now we are in True North SA. Very dope shop. They got a lot of stuff. They got some Supreme, they got George, they got pretty much everything. Yeezys, anything you're trying to look for, they got it down here. I'm just browsing right now, trying to see what I want to spend money on. So a couple of sneakers I'm already seeing, but you guys are gonna see what I cop when we get back to the crib, man. So let me go ahead and hit y'all with this B-roll. But if you are new to the channel right now, what you gotta do, subscribe right now to your boy, hit that like button. The goal for every video is 300 likes. You guys already know how we do. With all that being said, let's jump right into this B-roll of this dope shop, man. Let's get it. Yo, check them out, Air Jordan 1 breads. And as you guys seen after that Last Dance documentary, these things that went up even more. Here they don't got them for the price that StockX has them, Go has them. If I wanted to get them, I would definitely get them here. But after that documentary, man, a lot of shoes I was really on, them OG colorways, they pretty much out of the picture for me to grab now, man. The price is all $2,000, $1,000, man. Just not in the budget right now, you feel me? But yeah, they got a couple other stuff that I'm really interested in copping, but now it's like, man, do I need them or not? Do I get them or do I get something else for the collection? So hope you guys enjoying this little b-roll of the shop. If you are, make sure you smash the like button. Let's get to the rest of the video. All right, guys, quick little update. You're gonna see like the part where I'm talking about I was reviewing the Chunky Dunkies. I thought they had them at the shop. It was a little misunderstanding, but I did pick up a couple of things from True North SA. I'm a huge Nate Robinson fan, if you guys do not know. I've been watching him since I was growing up playing point guard through middle school and high school. So he was always one of those persons I can go to as far as being, you know, one of the short guys playing basketball, handling the rock and stuff like that, facilitating the team, man. So here you have it. Check out this shirt right here. Got Hold That on top. You know, it's whole brand is Hold That. And I was talking to the owner of True North, man. He said that Nate Robinson will be coming down to San Antonio. So I can do like a dope little interview with him. So stay tuned for that. Have the notification bell on. Whenever he touches down to San Antonio, I will definitely be doing a quick little interview with Nate Robinson, man. I cannot wait. But check it out. You got the sharpshooter's helmet over here, and you have the ball hogs over here on this side, man. Very dope shirt. This is something I can grab to show support to True North and to support Nate Robinson himself, man. So here you have it. Check it out. Check it out. And he also, man, gifted me with an autographed photo of Nate Robinson and Carlos Boozer. Check it out. You can check out their signatures. It's kind of faint right there. It's a red signature right here, and it's a red signature up here. Both Carlos and Nate Robinson signed this thing, man. So I'm gonna definitely frame this. This is very dope. I appreciate it, Eddie, for you know what I'm saying, gifted me this and let me get a shirt from the shop, man. I really do appreciate all of the support, man. So like I said, you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. I was supposed to review the Chunky Dunkies there. It was a little misunderstanding. It's all good, but I did get some dope b-rolls, some dope shots of some shoes they had, and I was really, you know what I'm saying, anticipating to pull that trigger on some of them sneakers, man. So you'll see all the b-roll. I hope you guys enjoyed the first part and all that good stuff. So let's get into the detail rules and all that good stuff, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, we back at the crib, man. I hope you guys enjoyed that review over the Nike SB Ben & Jerry Chunky Dunkies. Got him! Very crazy sneaker, a lot of different colors, a lot of different materials. Overall, just a dope sneaker for 2020, man. But we are back at the crib, and we gotta talk about this giveaway, man. I told you guys earlier today I will be announcing a giveaway, super fire pair of sneakers that is considerably the best sneaker of 2020. So we can get right into the rules, details, and everything you need to do to win a pair of these free sneakers, man. So let me go ahead and show you guys what we giving away real quick. All right, guys, you see the silver box, you see the red Jumpman up there. You guys should already know what this is, man. Air Jordan 13 Retro Navy University Blue. And y'all should know what it is, man. I told you guys this is a sneaker of the year for me. And bam, there we have it, man. We are giving away a pair of Air Jordan 13 Flints to one lucky person who follows all the rules and who is a great supporter of DeVintage, man. So we can get to the rules and details on how to win a clean, fresh pair of Air Jordan 13 Flints, man. Check them out, check them out. I wish I knew somebody else getting away a free pair of the best sneaker of 2020. So let's get into the rules and details to figure out how you guys can win a free pair of these Flint 13s. All right, guys, so the first rule to win a free pair of these is pretty simple. You have to be subscribed to the YouTube channel DeVintage, you guys already know, and make sure that your subscriptions are not private. So when I go look on your page, I should see everybody you subscribe to, and of course, I should see myself on your subscription list, man. So make sure your YouTube account is not private so I can see if you're subscribed to the channel or not. All right, guys, so the next rule to win a free pair of these clean Air Jordan 13 Flints, you have to follow me over on Instagram, double tap and like that giveaway post for these Air Jordan 13 Flints, and tag 3 people down below. There is no unlimited entries in this giveaway for the Instagram, so do not comment more than once. You'll be disqualified from the free pair of Air Jordan 13 Flints. Next, you have to comment DeVintage 50K down below in the comment section of this video. And when you're done with all those rules, simply the last thing you have to do is screenshot that you are subscribed to the channel and send it to me via Instagram. Yeah, guys, so good luck to everybody trying to win a free pair of these Air Jordan 13 Flints. Like I said, I wish I knew somebody that was doing a free giveaway of these shoes. The sneaker of the year. These will definitely go up in price. And if you want to sell this pair and get your size, however you want to do it, the shoe is yours. Do whatever you want with it, man. All right, guys, that is the rules for the free pair of Air Jordan 13 Flints. I hope you guys enjoyed this giveaway. I'm gonna continue to give back to the Vintage Squad and keep dropping these fire videos for you guys. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel yet, man, make sure you subscribe right now to the channel. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops. Smash the like button to go for every video is 300 likes. You guys already know how we do over here. If you don't mind, please head over to IG. Give a boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box, man. So all that being said, take advantage of the free Air Jordan 13 Flint giveaway. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.